Okay, now I'm explaining you the lymphatic drainage. Now there are two methods in the cosmetology to do a lymphatic drainage. One is your Sebispar machine and second is a manual lymphatic drainage. Now why this lymphatic drainage is necessary? Because lymph node are the another system in your body which basically cleanse it out. Now what we want to cleanse it? So basically toxins. So either you take a help of a Sebispar to remove the toxins or else you can do this lymphatic drainage for every day. It's also fine, or once in a week if there is no problem on the face is also fine. For a lymphatic, what are the benefits of lymphatic? So first, it removes the toxins, it improves the circulation, and it help out to give a nourishment, and it also provides a glow to the skin. It removes the blemish and you have a very healthy and glowing skin. Okay, so first explain you the lymphatic point. So here just above the ear, this is called as a preauricular area. Okay, then we have anterior auricular area, submandibular area, submental area, cervical lymph nodes, and we have here few sinus which also we drain. So this is your frontal sinus, maxillary sinus, ethmoid sinus. Okay, and lymphatic actually points are all over the body, but we try to cover at least upper half part of a body. So I'm starting from the forehead. So just apply the gel on the face. I'm taking little gel to my hand. Gel is only for a lubrication. Here gel is not for a penetration, so you can take any gel. Here I'm preferring aloe vera gel because aloe vera is very good for the skin. Okay, always when you are starting from a lower. So I'm doing a little face movements with my fingers. There is no pressure, being very light. You have to generate a little heat because that helps us to improve the blood circulation. Okay, I apply a little pressure over here. Now this is a submental area, so I'm just pressing it down. Okay, then coming to the upper lip, a little pressure. Then there are 3 points on the nose, the base of the nostrils, mid, go to the ethmoid sinus, press it little, a frontal sinus, and then drain into the preauricular area. Again, same things. Here I am draining it into the anterior auricular area. Then lastly submandibular area. Then we lift a fat and drain it into the cervical like this. Go for the other side. If you want, you can perform this every step for 3 times. Okay, then we'll go on the eyes because there are few patients who complains about the under eye dark circle, under eye puffiness, they have a sinus headache, or they have a sinusitis, or they have a congestion headache, a pure vision of eye. So this all gets solved with this. You have to use your index finger. Okay, then go down, press every point, go to the outer corner of eye, again come to your normal place, and again you start moving like this. Okay, we take this portion, ethmoid sinus, press it out, give a little pressure on the eyebrows, and then drain into again a preauricular area. Do it 3 times. Okay, then make a V and then drain each side, like this goes in the mental, down, submandibular, anterior auricular, pre-auricular. Go for this side. Then make a fist of your hands, hold the chin and give a little pressure. Come upward direction. Do a little strokes on upward direction. That helps in the tightening the skin. Okay. Then give a full tapping on the face. Okay. And lastly, give a few strokes in a circular motion. Okay, this you can perform if you want to perform every day. So at least do it on the checks wala portion and this portion every day, and take a round around the eyes. For this whole, you can do it once in a week. The few points on the ear also. So I'm just taking out her hairband. So on the ear, you have to go for a back of the ear, okay, and then you just start pressing this portion. Fold this area and do a little tapping on it. Okay, press the pinna. Okay, then hold this ear lobe, pull it down a little. Then hold this portion, pull it up, and then give a little pressure on this portion. This is a very common if a person have a pain while pressing this point. This is very common in cervical spondylosis or if you have a neck stiffness. Okay, go for the another ear, do the same movement. Okay, so this is what about your facial lymphatic drainage.